This is a 12 pack of gold laurel crown fabric headbands I was sent to review from Canlier store, so let's take a look. Each one is about 7.3 inches in diameter. The gold fabric leaves lay on top of this wire, which is covered in a matching gold fabric. It's really great quality. It is bendable, so you can like shape it if you need to. It sits nicely on the top of my head. It just really fun. Each of these is actually a pair of leaves, so you can leave them like this, or you can split each one to open them up into like a double leaf. So that will take a little bit of extra time, but it's really worth it. Each of these has a little wire in it too that makes it a little bit bendable and moldable, so you can get exactly the look that you're going for. In less than 30 seconds, you're ready to go. And then you can bend them onto your head if you want. So cute as a crown or headband, for a Greek goddess Halloween costume, a Roman Empire themed toga party, you name it. The wiring is twisted together here, so you could actually easily take it apart. You can also then adjust it to make it smaller for a smaller head or even a child. You can use it like as a one string kind of thing. You could string them together. You could hang one of these like a wreath on the wall. You can use them as centerpieces on a table. So many ways to use these. I love them and know you will too.